Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly how you can clear your site settings in the Opera web browser. So let us get right into it. So what you want to do first, guys, is launch the Opera web browser, and all you will need to do is simply access your browser settings. You may do that, for example, by clicking on these three lines in the top right corner on your browser home screen, and by selecting go to full browser settings at the very bottom of that list. So here inside your browser settings, simply scroll down till you get to the privacy and security section and select the first option you see below, delete browsing data. Now, instead of deleting your entire browsing data, including, for instance, your download history, your cookies, etc., we're going to select only the site settings. So to do that, switch from basic to advanced. Select the time range you would like to remove the site settings for, like 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Make sure that you unselect each of these options below: browsing history, download history, news, usage data, and so on and so forth. Just make sure that the only one selected is that option here, site settings, and that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on delete data, and that is going to delete your site settings or clear it. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.